Step number 2, you must also set a maximum loss per trade. This is different. Step 1 was a maximum loss per day. Once you hit the maximum loss per day, you are finished for the entire day. This, at step 2, is different. This is maximum loss per trade. Now remember, if you're going to work off of my model, you have a maximum loss per day of 200. You don't want to use, traders, you don't want to use all of your 200 on one trade, on one play. This is just simply not intelligent. You should every single day give yourself multiple opportunities to win. That first trade of the day might be a loss, but you want to give yourself at least several more chances to not only recoup that loss, but to move yourself into profitable territory. All right, so never risk your entire maximum loss per day on a single trade. That's another form of gambling. So if our maximum loss per day is $200, our maximum loss per trade has to be a portion of the $200. And so I typically tell my traders to divide, they can divide the maximum loss per day by 4 or by 2. All right. 2 gives the trader a wider loss amount. So obviously, if we divide 200 by 2, we're talking about a $100 loss per trade. If we divide by 4, we're talking about a $50 loss per trade. All right. And so let's, for purposes of our examples today, let's utilize $50. Sometimes I'll utilize the 100, but for the most part, let's utilize $50. So remember, you have a $200 max per day, but you have now a $50 max per trade. You're never going to allow a single trade, a single stock, to take more than $50 away from you. Not $51.50, not $51.10, 50 or less. And this as well, traders, this brings consistency to your losses. Remember, it is not your job to become a consistently profitable trader. It is your job to become a consistent, small, losing trader. It is your job to consistently lose small. It is your job to end the game. It is your job to cut when you're supposed to cut. It is your job to fire when you're supposed to fire. It is your job to close down when it's time to close down. It is the stock's job to become profitable. It is the stock or the market's job to go up or down. And if you get your job right, the market takes care of its portion all by itself. Too many traders have this backwards. They're out there sloshing around in the world trying to become profitable. They're looking at the wrong side of the equation. You can't become profitable. You can only become a consistent, correct loser. And the profits after that come all by themselves. Remember, stocks go up without you. Stocks go down without you. They don't need your help.